Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel, where today we are going to be addressing this paint issue. So as you can probably see here, this section is quite dull. It almost looks as if the clear coat has been perhaps wet sanded away. You don't have that nice gloss over the black that you see here in the surrounding areas. It's just very dull. It's possible the clear coat is gone, in which case you really need to re-clear it, but it's also possible that this could just be sun fade, in which case you may actually be able to bring the luster of the clear back and get it to blend nicely with the rest of the car. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and just use some wax and grease remover to get the surface really clean. We don't want to be trying to buff or polish any sort of contaminants into the paint, as whatever has gone on here, the paint's obviously had a hard time and we don't want to cause any further damage. But we'll go ahead and jump right into it. So now that we've gotten the surface all prepped and clean, we'll go ahead and try out a blend of proprietary ingredients and see if we can bring back that clear coat. So with this, we want to be really careful to try to not burn through the remaining clear. I'll just add a little bit of water. You can tell when it's wet, it looks fine. This is why you don't ever buy a car in the rain, because the clear could be gone and you wouldn't even know it. Come back over it with a dry pad. See that it's starting to look a little bit better, but we're not there yet. So now we'll go ahead and test out another proprietary blend here and see if we can bring back that luster. Alright. Now, it's not perfect. You see that sheen started to come back a little bit closer in color to that, and there's no more nasty line. It's very well blended in. This looks pretty good to me, and you can see the spot where the clear has actually gone. That will need to be addressed. That's not just going to polish out. But as far as overall appearances, pretty happy with this. Alright guys and gals, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have your own tips and tricks for restoring your damaged or dull paint, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It really does mean so much. And we will catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.